Good morning, students. Today I would like to explain about how to solve pair of linear equations by substitution method or elimination method. So first I will explain page number 88. Page number 88. Do this. So in this total 6 problems are there. Among 6 I will tell you 4 problems. Remaining 2 problems you have to do. First one. Solving pair of linear equations by substitution method. Solving pair of linear equations by substitution method. First one, 3x minus 5y equal to minus 1. 3x minus 5y equal to minus 1. X minus y equal to minus 1. X minus y equal to minus 1. So, to solve this, already how to solve pair of linear equations by substitution method, by elimination method, already I explained those methods in your previous session. Today we have to solve these. In this, do this 4 problems you have to do by substitution method. So first what you have to do, among these 2 equations, first you have to assume these 2 as equation 1, equation 2. So among these 2 equations, you have to consider any one of the equation. After that, among those, you have to make here, these 2 are the linear equations in 2 variables. Among these 2 variables, you have to make any one variable as subject. Suppose if you consider equation 2, from equation 2, x minus y equal to minus 1. X equal to, transposing minus y to the right side, it becomes plus y, y minus 1. Now from the second equation, I am making x as subject. So here x equal to y minus 1. Now consider this as equation 3. So this, substitute this x value in, so we are getting this equation from second. That's why you have to substitute this value in first. Substitute in equation 1. So 3 into, in place of x you have to write y minus 1 minus 5y equal to minus 1. 3y minus 3 equal to, 3y minus 3 minus 5y equal to minus 1. So here these 2 are like terms, 3y and 5y. So this is positive, this is negative, we have to subtract. 3y minus 5y minus 2y equal to, transposing minus 3 that side, minus 1 plus 3. Minus 2y equal to 2. Y equal to 2y minus 2. They are both numerator and denominator having opposite signs. So sign of the division is negative. 2 1s are 2. So y equal to minus 1. Now substitute this y value in equation 3. What is equation 3? X equal to y minus 1. What is y value? Minus 1, minus 1. So both are having same signs. We have to add. So minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. Therefore, solution equal to x comma y, which is equal to, x value is minus 2, comma y value is minus 1. So in this way we can solve these pair of linear equations by substitution method. So this is about first problem. X plus 2y equal to minus 1. X plus 2y equal to minus 1. 2x minus 3y equal to 12. 2x minus 3y equal to 12. So this one also we have to do by using substitution method. So consider these two as two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. So if you have taken first equation, from equation 1, if you are making x as subject, x plus 2y equal to minus 1. From this taking x as subject, x equal to minus 1, transposing 2y this side, minus 2y. So make this as equation 3. Now substitute this x value in equation 2. What is equation 2? 2x minus 3y equal to 12. 2 into, in place of x you have to substitute minus 1 minus 2y minus 3y equal to 12. 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 2 into minus 2y minus 4y minus 3y equal to 12. So these two are the like terms, minus 4y minus 3y, both are negative signs, so you have to add minus 7y equal to 12. Transposing minus 2 to the right side becomes plus. Minus 7y equal to 14. Y equal to 14 by minus 7. Here also there is no sign, means sign is positive. When you are making division, both numerator and denominator having opposite signs, sign of the division is negative. 7 ones, 7 twos. Y equal to minus 2. So substitute this value in equation 3. What is equation 3? X equal to minus 1 minus 2y, which is equal to minus 1 minus 2 into y value is minus 2. Minus 1 minus of minus plus to do the 4. So 4 minus 1, 3. X equal to 3. Therefore, solution x comma y equal to x is 3, y equal to minus 2. So this is the solution for these pair of linear equations. Suppose if you want to check whether these values are correct or not, simply you have to substitute these values in these equations. If you are getting equation is satisfied or this both LHS and RHS are same, then that answer is correct. See, when you are substituting this value here, x equal to 3, 3 plus 2 into 5 value is minus 2. So 3 minus 4 minus 1. Next 3, 2 3 are 6, minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. 6 plus 6, 12. So in this way you can verify and cross check whether these two are the exact solutions for these equations or not. Next, third one. Two x plus 3y equal to 9. 2x plus 3y equal to 9. 3x plus 4y equal to 5. 3x plus 4y equal to 5. So consider these two as equation 1 and equation 2. Now you can take any equation. Here I am taking equation 1. From equation 1, 2x plus 3y equal to 9. Now taking x as subject, 2x equal to 9 minus 3y. X equal to 9 minus 3y by 2. Now I am making x as subject. Now consider this as equation 3. Now substitute this x value in equation 2. What is equation 2? 3x plus 4y equal to 5. Now substituting this value in second equation, 3 into x value is 9 minus 3y by 2 plus 4y equal to 5. Now multiplying these 3 9s 27 minus 3 3s 9y by 2 plus 4y equal to 5. Now taking LCM here, LCM is 2, 27 minus 9y plus 2 4s are 8y equal to 5. Now here there is no denominator, means denominator is 1. Cross multiplying these two. So 27 minus 9y plus 8y, these two are like terms. Opposite signs you have to subtract. Greater sign is minus. So minus 9y plus 8y, y equal to 5 to 10. So from this, minus y equal to 10 minus 27. So minus y equal to, here these two negative is greater, 27 minus 10, 70. Minus minus gets cancelled, y equal to 70. Now substitute this value in equation 3. What is x value? 9 minus 3y by 2. X equal to 9 minus 3 into y value is 17 by 2. So x equal to 9 minus 13 sevens 51 by 2. So x equal to 9 minus 51 minus 50 minus 9 41, 41 plus 1 42. 42 by 2. 2 ones are 2 21s are. So x equal to minus 21. Therefore, solution equal to x comma y, which is equal to out of x comma y equal to minus 21 comma 7. Now substituting here 2 into minus 21 minus 42 plus 3 into 17 51. 51 minus 42 9. Next, 3 into minus 21 minus 63 plus 4 into 5, 4 into 17, 68. So 68 minus 63, 5. So in this way you can verify and cross check whether this solution is correct or not. So in this, do this, you have remaining 6 problems are there. I will tell you fourth one also. Fifth and sixth problem you have to do. Fourth problem. X plus 6 by y equal to 6. X plus 6 by y equal to 6. 3x minus 8 by y equal to 5. These are the two equations. Consider this as equation 1, this as equation 2. So from equation 1, what is x? Making x as subject, you have to transpose remaining term to the right side. It becomes, from equation 1, x plus 6 by y equal to 6, x equal to 6 minus 6 by y. Now consider this as equation 3 and substitute this value in equation 2. What is equation 2? 3x minus 8 by y equal to 5. 3 into x value is 6 minus 6 by y minus 8 by y equal to 5. 3 6 are 18 minus 6 by y minus 8 by y equal to 5. Transposing 18 to the right side. Minus 6 by y minus 8 by y equal to 5 minus 18. For both of these two, common denominator is y. Now adding these two, minus 6 minus 8, minus 14 by y equal to 5 minus 18 minus 30. Now from this, what is y value? Here minus minus gets cancelled. Cross multiplying these two. 13y equal to 14. Y equal to 14 by 13. So first equation is x plus 6 by y equal to 6. 3x minus 8 by y equal to 5. X equal to 6 minus 6 by y. Substituting here, 3 6 are 18 minus 3 6 are, sorry, we have to multiply here. Here 3 into 6 18, 3 into 6 18. So here minus 18 by y, minus 18 plus 8, 26. So y equal to 13y equal to 26, y equal to 26 by 13, y equal to 2. Now substitute this value in equation 3. What is equation 3? X equal to 6 minus 6 by y. So x equal to 6 minus 6 by y value is 2. X equal to 6 minus 2 on the 2 3. 6 minus 3. X equal to 3. Therefore, solution equal to 3 comma 2. So this is the solution for this equation by substitution method. So remaining 5 and 6 problems you have to do. If you, whenever you are solving, if you are not getting those, you can ask me. So 5 and 6 problems you have to do. Next to page number 89.